The biggest mistake that I see on service-based businesses' websites is that they rely on all of their text and their form to do all of the heavy lifting that a video could easily solve. We have worked with hundreds of service businesses across many different industries, and the pattern is always exactly the same. They have a great service, they have a great reputation, but they do not guide the buyer through the actual decision-making process. By the end of this video, you're going to know how to dramatically improve the through rate just by changing a couple of different things on your website. All right, so here is what we are going to break down. First, we're going to cover what text and forms can't communicate well. Then we'll cover why video changes how people decide. And then we'll talk about how to fit in video without rebuilding your site. So let's start up top here. What can text and forms not really communicate very well on a website? Well, the first is your personality. You can't really express your personality through text on screen. Text is also really difficult to communicate tone, confidence, and really your competence, because a lot of times you can put text on there and it's pretty believable. Another big issue I see is that when you put text somewhere, it asks someone to work, whereas video is removing the friction from that person having to work for the information they want. So I want to draw two websites here. The first being what most people do with their website. And that one's going to be on the left. I'm going to label this one before. The next is going to be your after. And that is going to be the changes that we can make to make it a little bit less friction when someone goes to your website and wants to learn a little bit more information. So above the fold on most people's website is a bunch of text or a photo with a button, and it says contact us. And then down here they have some about us with a photo of Jimmy and his business and why he started his business. And it's pretty much just word vomit all over the website. Everywhere you go, you have to read a novel to figure out information about this business. Now, what we do and what we recommend is replacing all of this with a VSL. A VSL stands for a video sales letter. Now, what that would look like is if here is your fold. Again, the top of the fold is right above when you click on the website. A video sales letter would live right here with a big play button. And most of the times this is actually a landing page and not a home page, but it can work for both. So instead of people clicking around and trying to see what this company is about, the history of the company, what the process is like, this 3 to 5 minute video will replace the person clicking around on your website forever. It's going to replace 5, 10, 15 different questions that they have with you when they eventually do want to work with you, and really culminates everything that you need to know and removes the friction from the person that is on your website. The nicest part about this video sales letter, you can really showcase your personality. You can showcase your team. You can talk about your process in a unique way. You can show your process. That's the nice thing about videos is the visuals. You can show so many different visuals and graphics on screen that you can't necessarily show with just text or animation. It goes so much further when you actually have a video on screen. So finally, covering this, how can we change from the before to the new without rebuilding your whole entire site? The first is write a video sales letter script, take all your information from your website, and how can you condense that into a video sales letter that can just live on your website for people to get information. You don't have to structurally change your website, but import a video that's above the fold and replace it with all of your text. And then in your About Us, you can add that information. So you can change this section or move it to a different tab or whatever it might be. And then your website is basically the same as it was before, except it is much simpler. It's much easier to navigate and people can get information way quicker. This word vomit here, I don't know how many times that I've been on a website and I click off of it because they are just overloading me with text. I'm like, I can't read all this. I want to make a quick decision. If I can watch a couple minutes of a video and figure out if this company's for me, I'd much rather do that. And I think the majority of the internet would as well. By the way, this is the exact thing that we do for service-based businesses is we simplify all of their messaging into a video system and a video framework. So if that's something you're interested in, there's a link in the description. You can click down there, book a call with us, and we can have a preliminary sales conversation. So that link is in the description if you're interested. So yes, when I'm telling you to change your website, a lot of people think, oh, I'm gonna need more pages, I'm gonna have to rebuild the whole thing, when that's really not the case. Just take the information you have, condense it into a video, and then post the video there so it's easier for people to digest, and you can add that tone. You can add that confidence, that personality, your competence. Let people know like, hey, this is a top-end business that I want to work with. Because every single service-based business is just full of words. So do you want to be like everyone else, or do you want to implement something new? So to recap, here's what we covered. What text and forms cannot communicate well. That is personality, your tone, your confidence. Why video helps people decide. Again, same reasons, your tone, your confidence, and that it's easier to digest on your website. And then finally, where video fits in rebuilding your site. That you don't have to rebuild the whole entire site. Just take the information you have, put it into a video, slap your video on the website, and watch it work. Again, this is exactly what we help service-based businesses with, is optimize their websites so they're actually guiding people through the decision-making process. So if that's something you're interested in, there's a link in the description. We will see you guys in the next video.